Hi everybody, Shirley Campbell here, just filming, just thought I'd get on live. In the background, this is where they do the repair shop. It's an English show where they restore things, which is just amazing. Check it out if you're checking in from Australia or the US, called The Repair Shop. But they're actually filming there, so I can't get in today. So I'm here in Sussex, and I just wanted to give you an update on my beach house seaside bungalow. Unfortunately, I have missed out. I couldn't get the finance I wanted, couldn't get that sorted before somebody else has obviously come along and found it and put in an offer. So I'm a bit gutted that I've lost that opportunity. Good luck to the person who's got it, because it's a great deal. But this is a good example of why I always say, particularly if you're in the renovation game, opportunities come out of nowhere. I wasn't looking for one. I've got something else on the go at the moment, and this was just a phone call, if you recall, of a friend saying, look, there's this amazing property. I think it might be really good for you. It's a really good, needs a lot of renovation basically. But I didn't have the money ready. So this is why get your finances in place first, so that you are prepared. Because once you put it out there that you're a renovator or you're an investor and people know that about you, things will come up. So you need to be prepared with your money, have your borrowing sorted, etc. so that should something like this opportunity come about, you're ready to go. So unfortunately, I've missed out on that one. But I'm here clearly looking at centuries old houses in this area. It's just amazing. This is called a living museum. So you can walk into all the different houses and see from the 15th and the 16th century. It's just incredible. What they did is they found these all over England, and they took them apart piece by piece and numbered everything, then relocated here onto this huge farm and then rebuilt it, which is just amazing, and keeping, you know, the entire area is like we've walked back in time. It's just beautiful. So I just wanted to let you know that that's what's happened. However, what I did do, because I was very serious about that property and I really wanted it, I've done all the figures and the numbers and the spreadsheets. If it's something that you're interested in and you would like to know how to actually budget and prepare, and what I did from beginning to up to the point of wanting to put in an offer, if you're interested in that, then send me a private message and I'll see if I can work something out and get it to you one way or the other. I'd love to share that information. I'm thinking about putting together a little training program on a bungalow, because I think bungalows, particularly across the UK, present amazing opportunities for renovation where you don't have to do a lot of structural. So it's a great, particularly if you're brand new, it's a great toe in the water. It's a great starting point. In Australia, it's just like buying a normal house, okay? Because a bungalow means you don't have any adjoining walls. It's detached. It's by itself. And in the US, you kind of had a couple of combination of things going on. So I'm thinking about putting that together. Also, send me a message or put something in the comment section of this that you'd be interested in that. I want to know whether it's something that appeals to people that are following me, learning about investing and renovating. So that's basically what I was trying to do today. I was just motivated standing in front of the repair shop, knowing how beautifully they restore old things. And given that renovation is about restoring things, it is about taking something that's old and broken and making it new again. So there's a nice symmetry between me standing here in front of, I would have loved to have gone in and filmed in there, but they're filming themselves obviously for their latest show. So I hope you're doing well and enjoying my posts. Please make sure that you comment. It's always great to hear what people think instead of always just feel like I'm talking to somebody. I hope somebody's out there listening. That would be super. Check out my website if you haven't come onto Facebook and liked my page. Also, something that is new, just last week, I've just launched a Facebook support group, a renovation support group. So if you'd like to have like the VIP treatment, so you get to talk with me in a small group initially. Hopefully it'll get bigger and bigger. But it's a way to communicate and ask me questions, have some Q&As. We will do more lives where it's interactive. If you're in the middle of a renovation and you're stuck or not sure, it's a great opportunity for learning. Obviously, you have my suite of materials that I'll keep adding to it. People in the group, you will get first choice at that, and obviously discounts, etc., etc. So if you're interested, there's a link on my Facebook page, and there is also, if you go to Facebook groups, it's called SC Success Renovation Support Group. I hope to see you there. Asking to join, you just need to answer a few questions. Let me know who you are, and then I can approve you to be in the group. All right, take care, stay safe. I hope you're well and happy. Signing off, catch you next time. Bye-bye.